Hi everyone, welcome back to Couponing with Isa, here to show you my free moneymaker deals from CVS shopping number 3 and a small Dollar Tree haul. Hope everyone is doing well. I want to give a big welcome to Tulasi. I can't pronounce your last name. Channel, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong. You have an Indian food channel. Welcome to my channel. We also have a private subscriber, but I don't know your name because it's coming up private. So welcome to you both, and I hope you stick around. So thank you so much. We're up to 119, guys. Keep sharing, keep subscribing. We need 81 more, and every 100 I will be doing giveaways. So thank you so much. So to Lassie and the other private subscriber, welcome. So again, free moneymaker. The Snuggles are on sale for $2.99 each. So I got 4. We have $1 coupons that we got on the Retail Me Not. Again, I didn't get it, but I did go to clip2save.com and got my coupons there. You order them. They're $1 each, plus CVS gave me a 3 off 10 on Snuggle products. Suavitel, these are a little pricey, $5.99. Buy one, get one free, but when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 Easy Beat back. Wet n Wild, the pink or the purple mascaras are on sale for $1.99. My store was wiped out. I only found 1, and then 4 of the eyeliners in very, very black. And they look like this. These are pricey. These are $2.99 each, so a total of $14 here. I had a 3 off 9 makeup CRT of Wet n Wild. And I had a $5, I had a $10 Easy Bee from yesterday's shopping trip. And for this one, I had a $5 from yesterday's shopping trip. So I was working with $15. So everything came out free with a $1.45 moneymaker. Why? Because with this, all I needed to get was $2 and some change, $2.37 to be exact. And I'll be getting a $3 beauty bucks by Friday. So making it free and a $1.49 moneymaker. Again, $1 coupons here. So here's the receipts. This is all the Wet n Wild. 3 off 9. And again, the $10 we got yesterday from the spend 30. My total was 95 cents. Tax 168. And again, got back my 6. So you get back 6 for the Wet n Wild. And then the Snuggle and the Suavitel. As you can see, the 3 off 10 and all the $1 coupons did come off. The Snuggle has no limit on the coupons. You can use as much as you want. My total was $5.96, but with the tax it came out $7.14, but I got my $2 back. So if you add this, it would be $8.82, so already is a moneymaker. And then the $3 from the Beauty Bucks will bring it back up to $11.82. You subtract the $8.82, it would be $1.49. So that's what I did. Very happy with that. So I'm working with just $11 for next week. So that was at CVS. Amazing deals. I wanted to do more, but this is what we needed. Dollar Tree, really quickly. You know that I do baskets for the holidays. I bought 3 packs of 2s. Finally found the Bolero. My store was wiped out clean. They smell really nice for men. It's just a nice clean scent. This is the cedar wood and eucalyptus. This is the body wash, and this is the 2-in-1 shampoo. Have not seen anybody haul. I've been seeing the body wash and the shaving cream, but not these. So, and this one is the charcoal and bamboo. The only thing at the toy section that I found was the JoJo Sua toothbrush set for a little girl that I know. And then I'm in charge of the kids at my church this year, so I found the table, the tablecloth, the dinner plates for them, the snack little cups, the bags for their goodies. 2 tablecloth. One will be to decorate the room, and one will be for the table. And again, the napkins for the kiddos. All I spent there was $16.80. So really small. But CVS has amazing deals. Again, the Crest, the Colgate. I did not get the 2 off 3 or the 3 off 2 for the Colgate, so I did not do it. I did have a couple more deals that I want to do, but I hold off on that. Stocking up on laundry. But again, a big welcome to the private subscriber, to Tulasi. She has an Indian food channel and some stuff about Indian. So make sure you check her out and let her know that I send you over. Again, we made it up to 119. Thank you all for sharing. A big shout out to Saving with Alexis. Make sure you check her out. She does a lot of CVS and Target deals. She actually unboxed the Ibotta bonus deals. You guys gotta stop by and thank her. You have to go to Ibotta, type in sharp cheddar. When it pops up, you're going to see the little pumpkin. Touch the pumpkin and your bonus pops up. So thanks. A big shout out to Saving with Alexis. Make sure you give her the thank you because it was her that actually discovered that. Also, Shopping with Christina, Mommy Boxes. Make sure you check her out. She just did a couple boxes from BoxyCharm. So everyone on here, make sure that you guys are subscribing and taking care of each other. Also, Shopping with Stephanie, all of you. Frugal Mama in the Woods, our condolences to you. She lost her mom to COVID, so please pray for her. And Broke Budget Fashionista, they're going through it. Sweet Sadie J. So everybody on here, make sure that you guys are loving each other, caring for each other. You know, wear your hats, your mask, your gloves, your sanitizers. You know, this is serious, and take care of your kiddos. So God bless you. Remember, if you're new on here, it's Couponing with Isa, ISA. Please hit that like, subscribe button, notification bell. And God bless you all. Take care, guys. Lydia's family life. Please enjoy that trip you're going on with you and your family. And thank you all for the love and support. Bye-bye, guys.